What's up guys, welcome to the video. Day 3 of Alps to Ocean. Check this out. View from this morning. There's our little hut where we called home. Just about to break this tent down. I'm gonna get going. Back on trail. So we actually left camp fairly quickly. We were only there for about an hour and 7 minutes. Plan is to stop for breakfast at the lodge. I mean, we will make our own breakfast. We've just got some muesli and oats. But I thought it'd be nice to just get out, get away from camp, get some miles down first. Well, 6.4 k's from where we camped, the Lake Middleton campsite. Looks pretty nice. Lake Ohau Alpine Village. Very nice. 6 k's to the lodge. Look how pretty this is. We're trying to work out which one we're supposed to climb. I think it's over on the left there, you can't see it now. And that $1 million view. Woohoo! So we made it to Lake Ohau Lodge. Check out that view, this place is great. No doggy. They let us come out and use their picnic bench. Back out on trail. So we're going to be doing some climbing soon. I think we've got about 300 meters to gain, which will take us to the highest point of this trail. We are 1 kilometer from Ohau Lodge. Making for some pretty nice riding. There's kilometer pegs for each K you get further from the lodge, which is interesting. Makes you realize how slow you are. Ooh, look at this. Second river crossing. Oh yeah. Just over 4 k's from the lodge. Another river crossing. Might be the same one, I don't know. So pretty. Avalanche zone. That's pretty cool. Don't see any snow. Whoop. Check out this view. Isn't that epic? We've done 390 meters since we started. I think we're nearly at the top. It's always funny looking down on the trail you're about to ride on. Makes it seem so close. Honestly, I could have done for a few more climbs like this. To me, that's what riding's about. Yesterday along those canals was honestly harder than this. Just flat on the Seward Road in the sun, major headwind. That was rough riding. This is bloody sweet, especially the descent. And you know, the views aren't bad either. I sort of wish I had a GoPro. So I always film just holding my phone now, which in some ways is good, but you know, for something like this, it's not ideal. It's definitely not the safest thing to be doing. Yeah. So I think we're near the old wool shed now. Check this out. This would be a great spot to camp. There's even a drop dunny. And you got to see this. Check these babies out. Lunch is served. And near the picnic bench, this lovely little swimming hole. Well, more like dunking yourself under hole. Ice water. Back on trail. It's 3 o'clock. We are doing a bike swap at 4:15 in the next town. Don't know if we're going to make it or not. Check these mountains out. That is epic. I feel like I didn't even see them, but I must have. Whoa. Don't know how good that's going to show on camera. I really don't. Probably should look where I'm going, shouldn't I? That view is insane. Should be riding. We've got a deadline. I think we're going to make up some time on these roads. It's a gentle 200 metre descent for about 20 k's all the way to town. Looking forward to it, honestly. Look at this picture. Unbelievable. Found this trail that follows the highway into town. It's actually quite nice. It's a good alternative. Fairly flat along the river. This bridge has a cyclist sign that automatically activates. I'm just going to take the line. Oh yeah, that's nice. Car back. Alright, we are finally rolling out of Marama, forgive my pronunciation. Heading down to Sailor's Cut campsite tonight. Met a couple of locals. Hello ladies. Check out that view. Epic. Down the lake, river, whatever it's called. Very pretty, lots of birds. So we just passed Pumpkin Point. There's a little toilet there, and yeah, you could definitely camp there. We had planned to keep going to Sailor's Cut, so we'll stick to the plan. Guys, check out this view. 3, 2, 1. I'm pretty sure I can see Mount Cook in the distance. That is epic. Look how close to the lake we are. How cool is that? So we're at Sailor's Cut Campground. Not gonna lie, this place is like a zombie apocalypse state park. We're just staking out a spot a little bit further down, about 600 meters. Yeah, take a look at this, guys. Isn't this weird? Like, I don't know what to make of it. Look. I've never seen anything like it before. Alright guys, Sailor's Point was a bust. We are going back to Pumpkin Point because we value our lives. Alright, we're back at Pumpkin Point. Just finalising our campsite. It's looking like it's going to be here. There is a drop toilet. Alright, got the tent set up here now. As you can see, using the bikes to prop it up more. It holds that part of the tent away from your head. View's great. Alright, that's it for the video. See you in the next one.